Hello, my name is John. We're back to do another Y negative, X negative, Z up, Z down. Alright? But the first thing we want to do is home the machine. So if you come up top, there's your home button right here. Okay? I have my pointer as purple so you guys can see it a little bit better. But go ahead and click on this home button. And I'm going to switch over to the machine and get me out of the picture here so you can see what's going on. So right now it's going to go ahead and home. It's going to home the Z axis and it's going to home the X and the Y axis. Now what I do want you guys to keep in mind that machine home is not a work offset. So in its home position, you do not open a program and start it from there, because all you're going to do is crash the machine. The machine cannot go in an X positive direction in the home position because it's already all the way over to the right as it is. Okay? Just bear that in mind. So what you do is you actually set up a work offset. Alright, I'm going to come back to the controller and then we're going to go ahead down here again. These are your jog keys. Alright, there's your X positive, X negative, Y positive, Y negative, Z positive, Z negative. Here's your step sizes. Okay, X and Y right now is at 10 thou. 0.01. Very important that you have that decimal. Okay, your Z axis is at 10 thou. Step 0.01. Again, that decimal is very important. I have a feed rate right now of 40. I did that so we can get to the front left corner fairly quick, otherwise we'll be here all day. So we're going to go ahead and jog our X in the negative direction. I'll put it over to the machine so you guys can see what's going on. And then once we get over there, we're going to pull the Y in the negative direction as well to bring it towards the front of the machine. And then we're going to establish what we call a work offset. Alright. Now if you draw in easel, I don't know if you are aware, but easel's origin is your front left corner. So when you do a part in easel, everything that's programmed is it generates the G code from the front left corner of the part. Okay, not your home position. Again, work offset is totally different than your home position. So now that we're getting over in the area we want to be, go ahead and jog Z down. Okay, I'm going to pull that Y forward a little more. Okay, and we'll get the Z down a little more. Alright, so now I'm going to come back to the controller. We're going to slow this feed right down because I'm at 40. I don't want you guys crashing into the part. A lot of you probably use a probe. That's fine. I like using paper because for me that's just the way I've always done it, even on big Haas machines as a programmer. Okay, we're gonna come down into that Z now. Alright, until we touch, again I use a piece of paper. And I'm just gonna put this here. And then once I get close, I'm just gonna step it. Alright, I just touched that material, so we'll come back over And on your software, if you come right here, you see where it says 0Z. Go ahead and click on that. And we made our Z0. So we're going to come up off of the part a little bit. So we're going to hit the Z positive. Each one is 10. That's what I have it set for. Okay. And then once I get off it a little bit, now we're going to come towards the front corner edge of the tool, or the center of the tool to the edge of the part. Okay. And then the same thing on the x-axis. We're going to go jog the Y to the front, center of the tool. Okay. I'm going to go a little bit more. And then we're going to move the X over. I actually went a little too far. So we'll come back a little bit. Come back a little bit more. Okay. That looks pretty good. Alright. Then we'll bring this Y a little more. And once we get her close, now come back to our controller again, because the center of my tool is right on the front edge and the center of the tool is on the right edge. So we'll come back over here, go ahead, 0 your Y and then 0 your X. At this point, don't 0 your Z again, because you already zeroed that, and it's now 110 thou off the top of the part because we jogged up, so it didn't drag across the part when we did the X and the Y. Alright, very important. Don't do that, because if you do, you're not going to touch your material when you start your program. Now, I have a program already open. This is one I drew in easel. I actually made one part and then I copied and pasted it to 8 others. Alright, I already made this, so I'm not going to go ahead and machine this again. And if you guys already have this or a program open, all you got to do at this point is go ahead and click your send button. But again, now you're working from a work offset. Your work offset in this case is G54. And if you come down here, over here, you'll see it's G0, which is a rapid move. The 21, G94, G90. There's your G54 work offset. Alright. And you only have G54 because you're not doing multiple parts. So we're not worried about... when I say multiple parts, we're doing multiple parts in one piece. We're not doing multiple pieces where we need multiple work offsets. Alrighty. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave any comments. I hope you liked it. And please subscribe. And if there's anything that you would like to leave a message about or a comment, please do so. And you can also email me with any questions. Thank you very much and have a great day.